have got to get Maxx pulled out. I gotta get him running. I gotta get that freeze plug put in him. And dude, I gotta get that car through emissions, bro, because I'm running out of time. The court gave me an extension. It was like a 2-month extension to get it done, to get the tags on it and show them proof. And to be honest with you, I've procrastinated pretty bad. So I need to get on that, bro. As soon as we're done, I'm gonna do a little bit of work on this. But yeah, for the most part, today's video is gonna be about Maxx, but there will be a little bit of Civic stuff at the end, so don't be ditching me. So I finally replaced the damn freeze plug and I got Maxx up and running, dude. Hell yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've missed the hell out of this car. It is the most comfortable car I think I've ever owned. I just need to get the damn air conditioning working, that's for sure. Anyhow, guys, I cut the catalytic converter off of Maxx last night also. Unfortunately, Paul didn't have enough time yesterday, so I'm gonna run down to Paul's shop today and get the cat off the bug welded on here. So hopefully that solves our problem, dude. I'm hoping with the new cat on here, I also have an O2 sensor that we'll be able to pass emissions, dude, because I've passed my deadline now. So I need to get the tags on this car and get the proof down to the freaking court before they freaking suspend my license or something, dude. Who knows? That's what they'll do, man, because that's my luck. That's my luck. I'm not gonna lie, I was excited for what Maxx was gonna sound like, basically open header, but this car sounds like shit, dude. Damn it. I gotta make a left right here, dude. I mean, I have insurance and my license is legit, so. But I definitely don't want another damn ticket for the tags. Damn it, I think he's finishing up. Oh, and the light's green. Shit. Come on, let's do. Oh, fuck. Yeah, he's getting in his car. Is he shutting his door? Ah, this is freaking nerve-wracking. Come on, let's go. Fuck. Stay as quiet as you can. Stay as quiet as you can. Oh, is he looking? I don't know if he's looking. It's all welded up. Now this backside is actually going to slide into the existing pipe, and I'm just going to use one of these clamps right here to just kind of clamp the two together. The front will bolt straight to the header, so I'm going to get it thrown in and get going. Well, there goes nothing, man. Wish me luck once again. Hope he passes this time. Vehicle failed. Come up to these two right here. If you have any questions, go in the office, talk to our manager. Okay, thank you. Alright, well, moving on from Maxx, guys, because it's just got me frustrated, dude. It has me frustrated. Now, what it failed on, I looked up, and most likely it's an O2 sensor, which is pretty simple, and I already have a new one. So that is mostly my fault, dude. I should have put that new O2 sensor in there before I went through emissions again. I don't know. I was thinking the cat was gonna be good enough. It definitely changed the way that the car drives and the way it sounds, and the dead giveaway should have been the fact that my damn check engine light came on while I was sitting in freaking line to get the emissions done. Anyhow, guys, I'll get that O2 sensor changed out, and then hopefully I can stop driving Maxx around dirty and actually get tags on it. You know what I'm saying? Before I get another ticket. Anyhow, we gotta get these brackets painted really quick because they need to be painted. I started to clean the threads up on this thing really quick, but I quickly realized I wanted to show you guys a before. See how nasty they look right now. I'm gonna take my bench grinder, it's got the wire wheel on it, and just run through this thing really quick and make it look all pretty, and then mask them off and then go paint them, so I don't have to I don't have to wire wheel it after we paint, because you already know it's going to screw the paint up. And that's a really quick after. I don't know, it just, you know, cleans it up a little bit. It is what it is. Whoop. Whoop. Son of a bitch. Alright, our brackets are painted, finally, dude. That seriously took me forever. And this one, I know I said I was gonna take it to the bench grinder and just shine it up and stuff, but what I ended up doing is I just took it to the kitchen sink, bro, with some dish soap and a wire brush and just scrubbed it the best I could. And yeah, that's all I'm really gonna do, because this has like a coating on it. It has like a coating on it from factory that resists rust. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm sorry you guys didn't see me at all last week. I had a really busy weekend last weekend, and it threw my schedule all off, man. My schedule is so fragile that like really any little thing just completely throws it all off. Now in next video we are going to be tackling a problem that I actually ran into with the engine. It's not a huge problem, okay, but it's definitely a problem that's kind of stopping me from moving forward. I'm not hiding nothing. You guys will see what it is in the next video. More than anything, I'm like nervous about finishing this car. Do any of you guys get that? I mean, you have to, there has to be some of you guys out there that understand where I'm coming from. It's like, I don't know why, dude. I feel nervous, dude. I really, really feel freaking nervous to finish this car. Like, thinking of that first time turning the ignition to crank it, and oh man, it's a scary thought. It's an exciting thought, but it's definitely a scary thought, and it's coming really, really freaking soon, man. I wanted to ask you guys a couple of questions. The engine harness. I normally just put the engine harness on with the engine sitting on a stand like it is right now, because it's easier to get to and everything. But I was thinking maybe I ought to have the engine in the car so that it's wherever it is that we place the harness, it's more accessible to be able to get the harness in and out with the engine in the car. I don't know. What would you guys do? What do you guys do? Do you guys put the harness on with the engine in the car or with it out of the car? Make sure to comment down below, let me know. And I have one more question to ask. So, I've been thinking about painting Maxx. Would it be really that bad if I didn't paint it black? I mean, I have a color in mind. I have a color in mind that maybe I think wouldn't look too bad. But I feel like if I were to do a color other than black, like all the details of the car would just stand out a lot better. Like the trim around the lights, I would have to redo that. Like the push bar in the front, the black grille, the windows being black would stand out even more. The rack on top of the car, I mean, since everything is basically black, nothing really stands out, dude. I would leave probably the trim on the bumper, maybe, I don't know. The handles, the mirrors would stay black. The trim around the windows, this little trim around the wheel well, all that stuff would stay black. And I feel like it would just give it more detail, because you would see that difference now from the black to whatever color it is that we painted the body. But I don't know if you guys see, like, the rhino liner is just really faded. Like, it is faded out tremendously. There's a lot of little spots that are kind of chipping, which really I don't give a shit about. It's whatever. I would leave the hood black. Thinking about maybe sanding the hood down to expose the flag that was underneath it. I don't know. If you guys were to think of a color to spray Maxx other than black, what color would you guys do? And do you think it's a good idea to even do something other than black? So let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know down below. And help me make the decision, dude. Because I know either way I want to freshen him up. I want to get him all cleaned up and looking good again. Anyhow, guys, I am going to get to work on this thing right now, and I'm going to end this video and get started on the next one. So, peace out, and I'll see you in the next video.